What's up, Sneak Peek? Today we're gonna be cleaning these Panda Dunk lows. These are my girlfriend's and they're very dirty. She wore them in New York City and everywhere around, super dirty on the bottom. What we're going to be doing is hitting them with a magic eraser on the side, cleaning them with the drill brush, and also relacing them and surprising them with them at the end. Let's check out these Panda Dunks and turn them into new sneakers. Let's go. And as you know, our first step is to unlace the shoes. Got them ready to go in the tub? Here we go, let's unlace them.
Here I'm going to be using the magic eraser, which is really good for the midsoles in the white areas where I can scrub off all that dirt. The brush works to start it off, and then the midsole is best to clean with a magic eraser. For this sneaker clean, I'm going to start by putting some Dawn dish soap on the sneakers and hit it with the drill brush. And before I finish each shoe, I make sure to hit it with a manual brush from Rejuvenator. This just makes sure any of the excess dirt is taken off of it. I'm also going to scrape the soles with an X-Acto knife to get out any rocks or dirt that I might have missed with the brush. And to clean the laces, you simply put some soap and water in your hands, dunk the laces in the water, and rub them together in your hands like you're washing your hands. This will lather up the laces, and then you can feel free to put these laces directly in your washer with the soap and water on them.
These shoes came out way cleaner than I thought, and I can't wait to show them to Jordan. Just look at those insoles, back to white, and even our soles. Barely any dirt on them. All the white is renewed on the front, as well as the toe box here, as you can see, was very dirty and scratched up. We got rid of all that. Let's lace these up and show them to Jordan.
For my lace-up process, I like to put the laces out and then in. I feel like it gives a shoe a better look, and always make sure to do your laces the same each time. So if you're going left side up, make sure left side is always up so it looks consistent.
All done.